So if you want to learn how to find deals on StockX in 2026, yeah, this is the full guide to help you buy sneakers and streetwear for the lowest possible price without getting tricked. First, open StockX on your phone or computer and sign into your account so you can track prices and save items. Next, use the search bar to find the sneaker, streetwear, or collectible you want. Now open the product page and check the price chart. Look for drops or dips in price. That's where the deals usually are. Next, compare the highest bid and lowest ask. Sometimes sellers lower their price suddenly, creating good deals. Now check different sizes. Some sizes are cheaper because demand is lower, and that's where you can save money. Next, click the watch button so you get alerts when the price drops or someone lowers their ask. Now scroll down and check recent sales. This helps you see the real market price, not just listings. Finally, when you see a sudden price drop, act fast because good deals don't last long on StockX. And that's it. That's how you find deals on StockX step by step in 2026.